Hi guys, welcome to my video today. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you're new to my channel, my name's Molly. Thank you so much for being here. If you've been here before, thanks for coming to check out my lunch meal prep for the week. I'm doing a super healthy chicken piccata, and I'm going to do some spiraled zucchini noodles on the side. So this is gonna be such a good lunch to have ready for the week. I'm going to be doing my meal prepping, but I also wanted to give you guys a really awesome announcement. I'm going to be starting a second YouTube channel, and I am so excited. It is going to be all about shopping and clothes and try-ons and all that kind of girly stuff. So if you guys are interested in those kind of channels, I'm going to put a link to that channel in my description box. I am so excited to start this new channel. I've been wanting to do it for a while, so finally getting around to it, and I hope you guys go check it out. Like I said, I'll put a link to it in the description box of this channel. It'll take you right over to my other channel. So it's gonna be really fun to do both of these channels for you guys. I hope that you enjoy them. But this is gonna be the lunch meal prep, and my lunch meal prepping channel is going to stay that way. It's gonna be tons of meal prepping ideas. You guys know my recipes are super simple and nice and healthy and not complicated at all. So this is gonna be a really good chicken piccata. I have my chicken, and it's gonna be a keto low carb recipe. I have my almond flour that I'm gonna coat my chicken in. I'm going to use heavy whipping cream. I use this better than bouillon to make my chicken broth, and I just think it gives it a lot more flavor because you can use as much as you'd like. And then I have some lemons and capers, and I'm going to spiral up the zucchini to make zucchini noodles, which are delicious and perfect with this saucy chicken. This recipe is so good, so easy, you guys. I'm gonna get it going. It'll be prepped all ready for the week, and lunch will be set. I'm not gonna have to worry about what I'm having for lunch each day, which is what I absolutely love. Totally on the go, so just grabbing a container, popping it in the microwave is so quick, and I don't have to do cleanup every day, which I love that as well. All I have to do is put my meal prep container in the dishwasher, which is awesome. So I'm gonna get all of this going. Hope that you guys enjoy this recipe, and like I said, don't forget to check out my other channel. It's gonna be Molly's Try-Ons and Hauls, so check that out. Hope you enjoy it, and I will get lunch all made up for this week. So I'm going to use 2 chicken breasts, and I like to fly it open and then cut it in half. And I'm going to use half for each meal of the week. I'm going to make 4 servings for this meal prep. So I'm cutting it in half by flying it, and then I'm going to cut it in half the other way. And then once these are all cut, I'm going to dip it into my almond flour. You can use regular flour if you'd like, but I like to keep all my recipes nice and keto low carb recipes. So I'm going to dip these in just some regular almond flour, and then they will be ready. I'm going to put them in a pan on the stove with some olive oil, and I will cook them that way before adding all of the piccata sauce. I'm just using the same pan, and I have my butter. I have a 1/4 cup of butter, so I'm going to let this start to melt, and I'm just using all of the drippings from the chicken. The chicken was cooking in this same pan, and it also makes cleanup super easy. You don't have to clean it in between. Still gives all the good flavors from the chicken into the sauce. I'm going to use a cup of chicken broth, and I like to use it with my better than bouillon as I make it. And then I have 3 tablespoons of lemon juice that I squeezed my lemons, and I am going to add in heavy whipping cream. I have 1/2 cup of heavy whipping cream. I'm going to give this all a stir, let it simmer a little bit, and then I will add in the capers, and then I will add the chicken back into the sauce and let it simmer in the sauce and have the sauce stick really well to that little bit of almond flour coating. Chicken piccata is really good with noodles or pasta, but I'm going to do zucchini noodles, and I have my zucchini spiral to make noodles, the shape of noodles. And so I'm just going to cut the end off, and then I stick it in and twist it, and it is going to make some nice long strings, just like noodles of my zucchini, but keeping it low carb like I do in most of my recipes if you guys have been around my channel. So this is super low carb with the zucchini as noodles, and really delicious. I love zucchini. It's definitely one of my favorite vegetables, and having it this way is super fun. So I'm just going to spiral all of them and then cook these on the stove. I just saute them with olive oil and some seasonings, and they don't take long at all, and they're really delicious and super fun. All right, this delicious chicken piccata is all done. I have my zucchini noodles all done. So I'm gonna portion everything into my meal prep containers, same containers I always use. You guys that have been around, you know I love these containers. And I put a link to them in the description box. So if you wanna check them out, they're from Amazon, so the link will take you straight there. But they're really awesome for meal prepping. So I'm gonna portion everything out so that it is ready to go for the whole week. And this is gonna be such a delicious lunch. So I'm gonna do the zucchini noodles first. They're super long. Such an easy and delicious lunch, ready to go for the week. This would also be a really great dinner because it's super quick and easy We love chicken in our house, so we have it all the time. So this is a really great way to mix up that chicken. If you're always eating it the same way, check out this chicken piccata recipe. You will love it. So good. And I just love that lunch is now ready to go for the whole week. I don't have to worry about what I'm gonna have, and everything's portioned out. You guys know that I love meal prepping because I can portion everything into small portions and not overeat. So this is a really great light lunch to have with the chicken and zucchini. So I hope you guys enjoy this one. And like I said earlier, I started a brand new channel, so check that out. I'll put the link in the description box and it'll take you straight to my new channel. Hope that you guys like it, and don't forget to subscribe to that one as well. I hope that you have a really great day, and I'll see you guys all next time. Bye-bye.